I thought I would have my Venus wig by now, but I don't. Thanks a lot, Amazon. Just kidding. Kind of. So because I don't, I have decided to do the look from the ARTPOP fan listening party in Berlin, which is why I have this nose ring. I obviously don't have a short blonde wig, but use your imagination. You ready to start, Rocks? So I'm going to start with Smashbox Vitamin Glow Primer. The skin was very beautiful and dewy and gorge. I might end up putting this fake nose ring in at the end. Yeah, let's do that. I've gotten a lot of questions about the body glitter mix for this look. So we may have to do this in 2 parts. One for the makeup, one for the body makeup without an adorable puppy in my lap. All right, for the base, I'm gonna do these 2 Marini products. This is the Antioxidant Daily Face Protectant, just sunscreen, but it makes a gorgeous primer. And I mix it with Physical Protectant. This is also sunscreen, broad spectrum SPF 45. And both of these come in the Marini starter kit. You can pick either the tinted or the untinted. I use the untinted as a primer and I mix it with the tinted. I use this on myself on a daily basis. It gives you sun protection and this really beautiful light dewy coverage that photographs really lovely, and it makes your skin feel like silk. L'Oreal True Match Eye Cream and a Concealer in Rose Porcelain. This was gifted to me by Look Fantastic. Rocky liked that sound. And just use this to brighten up the eye area. I used to use the Clé de Peau for this. Not Clé de Peau, I'm sorry. La Prairie, but it's discontinued. I was doing some light cream contouring at the time, so I'm going to use this Match Made Concealer in Warm Wheat, just for a real casual, natural look. And concealers are really good for this, for a very subtle contour. Just getting a color that's just a little warmer than your skin. And because this look was so like avant-garde and extra, really went very romantic and soft with the makeup. I mean, except for the mustache. Believe it or not, I don't have a wig mustache lying around, so I'm going to draw one on because I think any fake mustache I could get that's not a professional wig one is gonna just look like Halloween. All right, this is Danielle Sandler-Watercolour Liquid Cheek Color in Cherub. So as per usual, I'm just layering these liquid and cream cheek colors. It gives a lot of dimension and it really makes it look like the color is natural and coming from within the skin. La Prairie Peach Glow. If you have anything similar to this color, I'm sure it'll work the same. This one just happens to be my favorite. Iconic London in Original. Becca Beach Tint. And I know there are stores that are still selling these. If you find them, buy them all. This is Givenchy lip liner in 3. This is Giorgio Armani Fluid Sheer in I think number 6. Oh snap, you don't need that much. It's literally like, that's already too much. But I would do a little on the lip. And let's not waste that precious gold. Tom Ford shade in Illuminate. You know what we do. Take that beautiful highlighter and get our highlight on, especially over here. And just roll it in with the fingers. Now let's use our Bobbi Brown lip liner in pale pink. Let's get weird with it. All right, so let's blondify our eyebrows, obviously. Again, Greyfree by Giuliano in light blonde. Coat them real nice and good. And then suddenly you have bleached brows. Oh my God. Well, that one just looks like I got macaroni and cheese on my eyebrow, but I'll fix it. I don't know how they do it. What do they even put in this formula? None of the other brow mascaras have this kind of potency. Wow, that brow is like Lord of the Rings, which I've never seen, so I don't know what I'm talking about, but I can imagine that they have eyebrows that are weird. All right, let's get our brow brush and make this not look so weird. I'm gonna let it dry down a little bit and then decide how I feel about it. You were in my making love in my sex dreams. When I used to bleach my brows, they actually kind of looked like this. I think that's why I'm not mad at them. We're gonna line the upper and lower lash line, like so. And kind of give it like a little flick at the edge of the eye. Gives them a little more snatch. Now take this Kryolan mascara, white. We're gonna do the upper and lower lashes. We're gonna do a second layer. Yes, that's right, second layer. With this white mascara. I'm not sure where it's from, sorry. Oh boy, I think I used that for the Bride of Frankenstein. She did have the contacts for this that were like the large pupils. I don't have those. But this also isn't a tutorial on a costume. It's how I did the makeup. So I figured it's okay. Giorgio Armani blushing fabric, because there's always room for more blush. For a little extra razzmatazz on the lids, Ritual Defeat in Fornax. Not a lot, we're just gonna like do a tiny bit. so you can like barely see that. And then we're going to take our Tom Ford lip lacquer. See, it looks like this. It's like sparkly gold. We're just gonna do a little bit on the eyelids. It's a really good gloss for the lids. See how lovely that is. Iconic London. The lips for this weren't like super matte. Let's get our Laura Mercier matte translucent shine control powder on our Stila double-ended brush. And we're just gonna matte the places that we don't want to be super shiny. Just like in the T-zone. But have a really light hand with the powder. The only time I really like went powdery with it, especially during ARTPOP, was for camera specifically, because things just look different under studio cameras. So you kind of like have to powder things in order for them to look how they look in real life, if that makes any sense at all. Now we're just gonna draw a mustachio on and we'll be done, because that's that. So let's put our little nose ring in here. I can honestly say I've never drawn a mustache on myself, so this will be interesting. So this mustache is not just a regular mustache. It does go here and here. So I'm just gonna take a black eyeliner, okay? And we'll do our best here. Very like, let's hope Rocky doesn't mess me up too bad. It's a Salvador Dali, so it's really like this. I mean, it's a drawn on mustache. What are you gonna do? You get the gist. Let's do a little beauty mark, shall we? This is my ARTPOP from the Berlin fan listening party. Look, it's actually one of my favorites. I love it. It's very something that only Gaga can pull off. Thus, what you're looking at. But I did want to show you how I created it. But I hope you enjoyed this. Lots more ARTPOP looks coming, and I'm excited about them.